Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we are looking at GOEV. Alright, GOEV is another EV company. I've made a couple of videos about it in the past. And the technical indicators indicate all positive. Alright, we got the stochastic with an up arrow. It's above the 80% line. So we could get a red arrow if it goes down, but right now it's still green. Alright, got the MACD, still green, still looking good, positive sentiment. And we have green arrow up here on the moving average, so this is a good deal. So it seems like GOEV is going to be moving higher in the next week. So I might look at a weekly option, I might look at a monthly option. I'm very bullish on GOEV. I might be buying some more. You can see it's been down way off its highs, and it's down around 10 bucks, 9 bucks. It was down to 7.5. So I'm very bullish on it. Indicators look good. I'm not going to be selling any covered calls on GOEV currently because it looks bullish, so don't want to get into that trap again. I already made a mistake. Stay tuned for that. Be sure you subscribe to my videos. I show you the mistakes that I make, and hopefully I'll roll you guys into more of the technical analysis side if it's interest to you. Let me know if this video is helpful, so we can get more of these technical videos out, so you can see the plan that I have behind some of the trades that I do. Hopefully it's very interesting to you guys, and hopefully it gives some sanity. Alright guys? So be sure to subscribe and like this video, and watch the partner video with this that I'm going to be making on the options trade, which will be posted probably 12:15 on whatever day I decide to do this options trade. Alright guys, thanks for watching.